how's your orientation going so far?
It's actually going pretty good, yeah.
Everything is going good, and it's very funny and interesting.
Good. I love the environment. I just love how welcoming they are, and I'm so excited to start learning.
Very friendly.
That was fun.
Good food and know and meet new people, so that's good.
It's going great. I've met these guys just today, so I'm enjoying it so far.
What are you looking forward to most at college?
At the beginning, meeting people and improve my English and French skills.
I'm expecting to expand my world and make many friends.
I feel like learning and meeting many people also for connections, exploring so many cultures.
I look forward to socializing with new people, making friends, and exploring Canada as a whole.
Finally, what are you looking forward to most about being in Vancouver?
Oh yeah, celebrities coming here. Like, I can't wait to go to a concert. I wanna go to a lake.
Oh, the lakes, yeah. We have very beautiful lakes here.
I think weather, because for example in Colombia we don't have seasons, so maybe it's going to snow soon.
You're going to experience all the seasons. You're going to experience rain, snow, everything.
Yes.
I feel like just exploring the nature.
I want to look for sun sports outside.
There's actually a few indoor like soccer places that are around it you can check out.
Okay, I will do.
Finding the hidden gems, like the nice places, the cute places, yeah.
We actually have a few YouTube videos about some hidden gems on our AC YouTube channel if you want to check that out.
Okay, I will.
So new student orientation, it's usually before your first week of classes, and you can come and watch some workshops. They can vary from MyAC or how to use Office 365 or booking. So everything that is essential for your first week of classes or before your first week of classes, you can learn on those workshops. And after that, you can get to come to the fun fair, where you have free lunch. There's many activities. We also have banking, phone plan, and success, which is a settlement program.
I see some students kind of volunteering, getting involved. Like, what's the process for that like?
Okay, so you can talk to AXA. You could know your Alexander College Student Association.
As a volunteer, you get not just opportunities to network with other people and students, but also have fun on the process and get food. So.
And meet new people and make new friends.
If you go to the Student Support Services window in the library, there is a QR code. You just fill the QR code and you can volunteer with any event.
Any tips or advice on maybe students are a bit more shy and like how they should meet people?
Well, I guess you just need to step up out of your comfort zone, and then nice things can happen.
You just have to approach them, say hi.
Yeah. It all starts with saying hi, and then after that, you just start to get along.